Now there's the baby. There's Dad, one of the kids. And coming behind me, oh, there's Mum. But she's gone up. Why have you gone over there? Well, here comes the kid. Oh, going over to my place. Okay. Well, we'll go around this way. Oh, we're right here. Well, this is one of the young'uns, teenager. Just so we never scratch. Can we ever scratch? Huh? Yeah. There we go. We want that scratch. Ooh, yeah. The back of the neck as well. Yes. Okay. Yes. No, we don't like that. The back of the neck. No. Don't like that. Where's Dad? No, he doesn't give a rat's.